Part 3.
I keep missing the shots.
Nah, you blind. You are actually blind. Cave divers. You stupid. Oh! Whoa. We hit 3 different trick shots than this. Oh!
Yes!
Aww. Oh! It landed between my 2 hands. Aww.
Backflip.
You sparked the sand.
Backflip. 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 Okay.
Stop doing backflips.
Backflip club. Backflip cup.
Stop clapping my cheeks.
What? What? What?
Alright. Let me put this camera somewhere else. I mean, like right here.
I'm like what? Like keep it in your fist. I'm trying to hit from.
Oh no. Then it's going to face me. Almost. Oh! Send it on my hand.
Backflip and just send it on my friend's hand. What? Nope. What? Nope.
Cave divers. Let me know. Do you love the way I do love the baby? I do love the Okay, part 4 is coming up. Yeah?
I don't think part 4 is going to happen.
Bro, let's just make this a movie.
Oh, my bad. What?
The video ended.